Good morning to one and all. My name is K. Ajay. I am from Triple E department. This is my assignment 2 of continue assessment 2 on the topic of H parameters in related to Z, Y and T parameters. Let us move into the topic. Firstly, introduction to parameters H, Z, Y and T. The interrelationship between parameters H, Z, Y and T is essential for understanding complex systems. H represents a dependent variable influenced by the other parameters. This presentation aims to explore how Z, Y and T affect H and interact with each other. Next, introduction to H parameters. H parameters are a hybrid matrix formulation that use a combination of voltages and currents, two model transistors and other active devices. H in terms of Z. While we converting, we have to consider these formulas. H parameters. V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 I2. This is equation 1. And next, I1, consider I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. This is equation 2. Next, Z parameters. V1 equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. This is equation 3. Next, V2 equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. This is equation 4. From equation 4, V2 equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Z22 I2 equals to V2 minus Z21 I1. I2 V2 by Z22 minus Z21 by Z22 I1. I1 equals to minus of Z21 by Z22 I1 plus Z22 by Z22. This is equation 5. And next, substitute equation 5 in equation 3. Z11 I1 plus Z12 into minus of Z21 by Z22 I1 plus V2 by Z22. V1 equals to Z11 Z22 I1 minus Z12 Z21 I1 plus Z12 V2 by Z22. V1 equals to Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21 by Z22 I1 plus Z12 by Z22 into V2. Therefore, Z11 Z22 minus Z1 Z2 equals to delta Z. Comparing H and Z parameters, H11 equals to delta Z by Z22. H12 equals to Z12 by Z22. H21 equals to minus Z21 by Z22. H22 equals to 1 by Z22. Next, H in terms of Y parameters. H parameters. V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. This is equation 1. I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. This is equation 2. In terms of Y parameters, I1 equals to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. This is equation 3. I2 equals to Z21 V1 plus Z22 V2. This is equation 4. From the equation 3, I1 equals to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. Y11 V1 equals to I1 minus Y12 V2. V1 equals to I1 by V1 by Y11 into I1 minus Y12 by Y11 V2. This is equation 5. Substituting equation 5 in equation 4, I2 equals to y21 into I1 1 by v y11 I1 minus y12 by y11 v2 into y22 v2. I2 equals to y21 I1 minus y12 y21 v2 plus y11 y22 v2 by y11. I2 equals to y21 by y11 I1 plus y11 y22 minus y12 y21 by y11 into v2. Therefore y11 y22 minus y12 y21 equals to delta y. Comparing h and y parameters, h11 equals to 1 by y11, h12 equals to minus y12 by y11, h21 equals to y21 by y11, h22 equals to delta y by y11. H parameters in terms of T parameters. H parameters, V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. This is equation 1. I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. This is equation 2. In terms of T parameters, V1 equals to AV2 minus BT2. This is equation 3. I1 equals to CV2 minus DI2. This is equation 4. From equation 4, I1 equals to CV2 minus DI2. DI2 equals to minus I1 plus CV2. This is equation 5. Substituting equation 5 in equation 3, V1 equals to AV2 minus B into minus 1 by D. I1 equals to C by D into V2. V1 equals to ADV2 plus BI1 minus BCV2 into by D. V1 equals to B by D into I1 plus AD minus BC by D into V2. Comparing H and T parameters, H11 equals to B minus D, H12 equals to AD minus BC by D, H21 equals to minus 1 by D, H22 equals to C by D. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, madam.